श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्के केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदे श्रीवासरंगपरकालमुनित्रयाप्तलक्ष्मात्मरक्षणैर्योगागमान्तम् आचार्यभक्तिपरिपूतमनर्गशीलं गोपालदेशिकमुनिं गुरुमाश्रयामः. Yesterday we briefly touched upon the Shodasayuda Stotram and Sudarshanashtakam, the series which is going to commence as per the Ajna of Sri Veeravalli Raghunathan Swami. So it is indeed Acharya Kripai that Swami has got this thought to request and instruct Adiyan to speak on these two wonderful majestic stotrams on Lord Sudarshanalvan, especially in these times of Corona and Omicron and whatnot. So, Sudarshana Bhagavan, Swami Periyalvar also, when he witnessed the Garuda Rudan, Periya Perumal and Pirati enjoying Periyalvar being conferred the title Bhattapiran, he immediately burst out with Pongum Parivu, the motherly affection, the Vatsalyam, and sang Pallande for Perumal. And in that sequence, he says, Vadivar Shodhi Valatturayum Shudarayum Pallande. Kannechil Yerpadamalirikka, in order to remove the evil glances that are being cast on Perumal's majestic Tirumeni, he sings Pallande. And not just for Perumal, he says, Vadivayanil Valamarvinil Vazhintra Mangayum Pallande. Even the Periya Pirati Mahalakshmi, the one who resides in his heart forever. Agalagillen Irayumendra Alarmel Mangai Urai Marban. And Periya Pirati to reside there Pallande for hundreds and millions of years. And Vadivai Shodhi Valatturayum Shudarayum Pallande. Vadivai, Alahai, in a most beautiful manner, Shodhi Valatturayam, the resplendent Paranjoti, the Jyotish Swarupi Chakratalvan, who is there in his right hand, may he live Pallande. So whatever the avatarams Perumal takes, Periya Pirati also takes. Gadhopa Gudhanite, Swami Alavandar mentions in Chatusloki. Similarly, like Periya Pirati takes the appearance in every avataram of Perumal, Tiruvali Alvan also takes in some rupam in all the avatarams. In some form of the other or the other, he takes the avataram and he performs the Kainkaryam Appodai Kappodai then and there. And we can see his glories, his Vaibhavam in Pancharatra Agamam. Even in Ahirbudnya Samhita, it mentions in particular. See, Parasara Bhatta's one of the Sishyas by name Kura Narayana Jiyar. And Kura Narayana Jiyar was a disciple of Acharya Ramanuja, just as Kuratalvan. And Parasara Bhattar, Kura Narayana Jiyar, was ordained to be the disciple of Sri Parasara Bhattar. And Kura Narayana Jiyar had most beautifully talked about Chakratalvan in his Sudarshana Shatakam. And in fact, Kureshar used to tease Kura Narayana Jiyar about the need for any mantram other than Ashtakshari for a Prapannan. And Kura Narayana Jiyar used to respond with a statement that Sudarshana Mantram will have a role to play at the right time. And it so happened that when Trivaranga Perumal Arayar fell ill and was incapacitated, Swami Kuratalvan came running to Kura Narayana Jiyar, who had actually teased him on the Sudarshana Mantram. So he requested him to intervene with Sudarshana Mantram to help Arayar to come out of his illness. So Kura Narayana Jiyar composed this Sudarshana Shatakam and prayed to Lord Sudarshana with the help of Vaidikas at the famous Sannidhi of Lord Sudarshana Alvan at Srirangam temple. And lo and behold, Arayar Swami was cured of his incapacitating illness and resumed his uninterrupted Kainkaryam to the Lord. Such is the power of the Sudarshana Shatakam. And Sudarshana Shatakam also is so beautifully housing Sudarshana Mantrams, Sudarshana Yantrams, and the Bijaksharam. The Ayudams are so beautifully and vividly described by Kuranarayana in the Sudarshana Shatakam. It is about the fierce and yet auspicious Sudarshana Jwalai and the other parts of Sudarshana Chakram. Sri Kuranarayana has housed and are consecrated using the 6 Aksharams of Sudarshana Mantram, Arukona Mishai, and with that he has made 6 parts in the Sudarshana Shatakam: Jwala, Nemi, Aram, Nabi, Aksham, Purushan, the 6 parts. In fact, he has blessed us with the 100 slokams on Lord Sudarshana, 24 slokams on Sudarshana Jwalai, the flame, the effulgence, the 14 on the Nemi of Sudarshana, 12 on the Arams of Sudarshana, 11 slokams on the Nabhi of Sudarshana Chakra, 13 slokams on the Aksham of the Chakram, and 26 on the description and the salutations of Sudarshana Mahapurushan presiding over this Maha Chakram. So the Sudarshana Shataka slokams gives the various yantram features of Sudarshana as described in Ahirbudnya Samhita. Sudarshana Nrisimha Tattvam and the coexistence of Sri Nrisimha and Sudarshana are covered in this wonderful slokams. And further than that, in our Sampradayam, Sri Nadadu Rammal, who is famously called as Sri Vatsya Varadacharya Swami, he blessed us on the Tiruvazhiyalvan Sudarshana Sri Hetiraja Stuti. And for that, wonderful commentary in Tamil briefly was described and composed by Madhurandagam Sri Veeraraghavacharya Mahadesikan. Sri Ammalin Shishya Sri Sutaprakasikacharya, even when he starts off his Sudarshana Suri in the Sutaprakašikai, Sri Sudarshana Suri, when he starts off the Sutaprakašikai, he mentions Bahirantastama Cheti Jyotir Vande Sudarshanam Yena Vyahata Sankalpam Vastu Lakshmidharam Viduhu. So he pays his obeisance to Tiruvazhiyalvan. Similarly, lots of Purvacharyas have written about Chakratalvan. And even Alvars have so beautifully sent Sanginodum, Nemiyodum, Tamarai Kangalodum, Shenganivai, Ondrinodum, Chandradam in Nenjame. About Tripkurungudi Primal, Alvar mentions that the Parakala Nayaki tells his mother, "Why are you angry on me? Because my mind has gone behind the Chakram along the Perumal who is holding resplendently, so beautifully, majestically the divine Chakram and the Shankh, the one who has got the red lotus eyes, Sanginodum, Nemiyodum, Tamarai Kangalodum, Shenganivai Ondrinodum, Chandradam in Nenjame." And the same way, Tiruvazhiyalvan is talked about Swami Desikan in Shodasayuda Sostram and Sudarshanashtakam, which we will enjoy. Alhindran Aliyan Aral Kuraivudayam, Alvar mentions, when the Perumal the Chakradari is holding the Chakram and is showing himself so beautifully and majestically, what kurai we will have, what grievance we will have? Nothing. We are completely happy. Kurai ondrum illai. Unnalallal yavaralum ondrum kurai vende. Taalum Tadakkayum Kupi, we will not bow down or fold our hands to Devatantram. We would only ask Perumal, the Chakratalvan, the Chakradhari, even if we need any material benefits, worldly benefits. And in Nyasa Vimsati, Swami Desikan mentioned, Sat Samriddhim cha yuktam nityam yachet ananyaha tadapi bhagavata tasya yadva vargat. So, yadva apta vargat. So, here it is Shastra Sammadam. It is in accordance with Shastras to seek from Perumal and Chakraidam their blessings to ward off the evil from our life, so that we will get engrossed and involved more on Bhagavata Acharya Kainkaryam. Only the Nishiddha Kamyam need not be sought from Perumal. Anishiddha Kamyam, any benefits, the material benefits that can be sought if it is going to facilitate in Bhagavata Acharya Kainkaryam. அதை எம்பெருமானிடமோ எம்பெருமானின் ஆப்த வர்க்கங்களோ பரம பாகவதர்களிடமோ யாசித்து பெறலாம். And that is why Nishiddha Kamya Rahitam Kurumam Nitya Kinkaram. So Swami Desikan mentions in Nyasa Dasakam. So here in Kanchi Anantasaras, in the shore, beautifully Sri Trivayalvan holding 16 hands shows himself, about whom the Shodasayuda Stotram was composed. Even in Sahasranamam at the end, Sarva Praharanayutaha, Rishibihi Parigitani, the sages, rishis have glorified this Vishnu Sahasranamam and the Perumal, saying he has got Sarva Praharanayutaha, he holds all weapons. Here Trivayalvan is Chakra Rupasya Chakrinaha, and it refers to Emperuman. Tirumazhiyalvar, who himself is the Amsam of Chakratalvan, has glorified Chakratalvan, saying Chakrapani Allaye in his Prabandhams. So Tirumazhiyalvar in Nanmugan Trivandadi and Trichandavriddham, he talks greatly about Chakratalvan, the unmatchable, brilliant effulgence of Sudarshana Bhagavan makes even the brightness of the sun to its insignificant next to its radiance. So Chakratalvan is Perumal's Sankalpam, and Emperuman's Sankalpam is Chakratalvan, and he shows himself. In the Pancharatra Agamam talks about this. Swami Desikan mentions that Manam Tihiriyaha, the Manas Tattvam, the mind. The Trivayalvan is the Abhimani Devatai for the Manas. Sri Vishnu Puranam Astra Bhushana Adhyayam also talks about this. And in Sudarshana Shatakam, when there are a lot of commentaries, they beautifully describe the agamams, the yantrams, and all that are nicely described in Sudarshana Shatakam. In Vishwarupam, when Krishna took the Vishwarupam, and when Arjuna witnessed and had the darshan of the entire Vishwarupam, he could not know how many hands Perumal had, and in each hand there was one ayudam. So Divya Nekodhyata ayudam. In Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 10th sloka, he mentions. Even Bhashyakara says in Gadyatrayam, Swanurupa Achintya Shakti Shankar Chakra Gadadhi Sangad Yasankheya Nitya Niravadya Niratishika Niradishaya Kalyana Divyayuda. So there it is innumerous, it is infinite, very many. There is no way one can count the Divya Ayudams of Perumal. So if you take the doctors it seems there was one ancient doctor by name Sushruta, and he had in his Vaidya Nool, he had written various surgery knives and ayudams. When Dhanvantri Avataram, Emperuman has the ayudam which can be removed, which can remove the portion of the body that has any tumor. And whoever, the farmers, they have the axe, the plow, the vandi, the manvetti, aruval, gadabari, all these ayudams. And the carpenters, whatever the ayudams he has. The goldsmith and the barber, the one who draws, the painter's brush, the balance of the merchant, the teacher's chalk piece, the pen, the pencil, each one is nothing but the amsham of Sudarshana Alvan. All these ayudams are nothing but the sankalpam of Sudarshana Alvan. That is why they all have the ayuda puja. And the saram is for all, everyone gets best and our punyam, the profession and the ayudams associated with it, the weapons, the equipment, the instrument associated with it to execute their work, and all of them are nothing but the sankalpam or the power of Sudarshana Alvan. And Sudarshana and Emperuman holds these ayudams just for our sake, for our benefit, in order to remove the fear from our mind. He does not need any ayudam. Nate rupam nachakaro nayudhani chaspatam tatapi purushakaro bhaktanam prakashaye. Shaunaka Bhagavan writes Jitante Stotram, which means, look at me, I am holding all these weapons for you. Even in Panchayuda Stotram, it says, Spurat Sakassar Sikhati Tivram Sudarshanam Bhaskara Kotitulyam Surat Visham Prana Vinasi Vishnoho Chakram Sadaham Sharanam Prapadye. I seek refuge, I seek Sharanagati in Vishnu's chakra, the discus, Sudarshana, by name, and he has got a charming appearance, Sudarshana. The chakra Ayuda, the Sudarshana, is greatly powerful with 1,000 spokes of glittering flames, which is similar to the millions and billions of suns, and which destroys the lives of Asura, with the enemies of Devas, and it will destroy all the enemies of ours as well. So, with that introduction, we would start off with Shodasayuda Stotram, first slokam from tomorrow. Adiyan, Kavitarthika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline, Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyosmi.